a tremendous mistake last night. Can you guess what it is? Of course, I left my fucking sunroof open. I'm just glad it didn't rain. My bad. Alright, good morning guys. Welcome to the Throttle Out 250 YouTube channel. My name is John, but most of you guys know that already. Some of you might know, some of you might not. This is my heel look. Rocky, he's not really. He likes his head out the window. That's my dog Rocky. He's my German Shepherd Husky cross. My best friend. And he decided he wanted to come for a truck ride today. And we're just going to do a little bit of running around and grab the, we're going to be doing something special with the Camaro today, so I got like 2 things to grab. Don't worry, this isn't going to be a video solely based on me running errands. I mean, I'm going to be getting stuff, but that's not what the video is going to be about. So, sit back, relax, like Rocky here, and, see you guys in a few. Well, fuck. Made a mess, spilled gas everywhere. Didn't realize I grabbed the shittiest jerry can I have. That's a really awkward place to fill with a jerry can too, like what the fuck? I've never had an issue filling up at fucking gas stations, but jerry cans are kind of a bitch. Fuel filter is dry as fuck. Let's see if we can prime it a little bit. You know, it's pretty fucking warm in here. Well, she's got some power. Oh yeah, now she's full of juice. Look at that, even the fastened seatbelt light works on here. Come on, Chevy. I'll let her sit for a minute. Two tries, that's all she really needed after she was jumped. She's actually purring really nice. I mean, at 1100 RPM. And she has no fan shroud, and that hose is really close to the fan, but I haven't had any issues. That'll all be changing soon though. Thanks to the Ford, the Chevy lives. So there's the Camaro, there's the truck, and I got a trailer. Let's get her loaded. We got the truck and trailer hooked up. The Camaro's on the trailer. And going for a bit of a road trip tomorrow.
In 900 meters, make a slight right turn and then make a slight right turn.
not a joker.
Back in the day, there was two.
Is it one key for the doors and everything in this one?
No, separate still. Good old 80s.
I don't think. Oh yeah, give me the door one if you've got it. If you don't, send me over. It's gonna rain.
It is.
Oh, rain. So this thing just sat outside your place?
Yeah. Unfortunately.
Tomorrow it'll be going in the tent because I'm gonna organize that.
I love that. It hasn't had backpack yet
Yeah, I'm
for
gonna-
years.
I'm gonna throw a couple of fluorescent lights in there so I can actually see what the hell I'm doing in there. I want to start on it in here, and as soon as that truck's gone, it's going over there.
Perfect.
Duct tape.
Yes, we found out today that it had duct tape in the fenders. And fucking...
Got a bit of duct tape, Bondo. We got some styrofoam stuffed in there.
Oh, and cardboard too, to boot.
Cardboard, we got some cardboard. Yeah, we got more styrofoam here.
Nice.
This is top-notch shit. I tried to do a little better than this for you.
I appreciate it.
No problem. That's something else,
And
man.
you know what's sad is I bet the guy did this in a real shop too.
God knows. Yeah, you never know. There's a lot of crooks out there in this industry. You want to save this and take it home for a souvenir? Or what?
I think we're good. We're good, Matt. Maybe we'll save a piece when you have like a big placard with under the car.
Totally.
Have that like laminated in
If I
there.
find something super crazy, I'll box it up for you.
Sounds good. I'll give you my mailing address. It doesn't leak coolant, that's a bonus.
Yeah.
Oh wait, that's windshield washer fluid, never mind.
Oh, the pink stuff, yeah.
Well, coolant's actually still pretty good and everything else. She's getting some love.
Yeah, it's going to be a cool car when we're done.
No, fuck yeah. I appreciate it, Steve. It needs it.
Yeah, no, I'm grateful for the work, too.